What are you doing?
Making a snow angel. I'll make it one too. I love it snow.
It's fun, huh? Let's see.
Done with my snow angel.
Pretty. You see it? Nice.
Ooh, snow angel!
Nice.
Okay, let's make a snowball fight.
Okay, just not on the head, okay? On the body, because that.
Well, Snow already put it.
Okay, well I'm just saying you'll get real cold, okay? So try and do it from the waist and below. There you go. There you go. Okay? You'll be able to last longer if you do it by the waist and below. Okay?
I don't want to do snow fights anymore.
Mm-hmm.